lecture is chapter number 6, and our key points of today's topic is solution, solute, solvent and aqueous solution. We will discuss these points one by one. Today related to the book number, page number 97. From page number 97, paragraph number 1, line number 1. Paragraph number 1. Line number 1, the answer of this definition consists that solution is a homogeneous mixture. Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more than two substances. Solution, the example of solution is salt solution or sugar solution. These are the two common examples of solution. In which two substances are mixed together to form a solution. Salt is in the lesser quantity and the water in the solution is in larger quantity. When two substances mix together in any ratio, because solution is also known as a mixture. Solution is a mixture of two things. One is solute and other one is solution. In this example of salt solution, salt is present in the lesser amount and the water is present in the larger amount, and according to this paragraph the type of solution are 9 types, and lot of MCQs are related in according to the chapter paragraph number 1. And one of the most important MCQs is seawater is a mixture of seawater. Seawater is a mixture of 92 natural occurring elements. All the naturally occurring elements are present in the seawater. So seawater is a solution of all the element abundantly found in the seawater, and that is a solution. Seawater is also a solution of many substances. Our next question is how we can differentiate between mixture and pure solvent. As I told you that the solution is a type of mixture, so how we can differentiate from mixture and pure solvent? How we can differentiate if this is a solution or this is a mixture or this is a pure solvent? The common process used to differentiate between the mixture and the pure solvent is just the evaporation. Evaporation is just a simple process through which we can differentiate is it a pure solute or pure solvent or a mixture. Because when we do evaporation of a mixture, then if we evaporate a mixture, then some kind of PPT or residue left behind. But in the case of pure solute, no residue or no any kind of PPT or precipitate left behind. That's why we can differentiate. How we can differentiate between mixture and solute? The answer of this question is simply a evaporation process, and the answer of this question related to the page number 97, paragraph number 3. Paragraph number 3 contain the answer of this question, that how we can differentiate between mixture and pure solvent. Next question is defined aqueous solution. Aqua is a Greek word. Aqua is a Greek word which means water. Aqua is a Greek word which means water. So any solution which is formed in the water as a solvent, that is known as aqueous solution. And lot of our body solution which is present in our body are also the example of aqueous solution, because our body contain 60 to 65% water in by weight by percentage volume ratio. So aqueous solution is on paragraph number 4. Paragraph number 4 contain the answer of this question, define aqueous solution. Simply we can say that the word aqua derived from the Greek word which means water. So any solution which is formed in the water as a solvent is known as aqueous solution. And example of these solutions are again common examples are salt solution and sugar solution. One most important MCQs regarding this paragraph is water is a dash solvent. Water is a universal solvent. And other short question related to this paragraph is why water is a universal solvent. So answer of this question also related to paragraph number 4, line number last, which says that water is a universal solvent because it can dissolve all of the substances, all of the elements in it in some quantity. Even the oil are mixed in the water, but in the lesser quantity. That's why this is a universal solvent. And defined aqueous solution, answer is paragraph number 4. Again I am going to repeat, paragraph number 4, line number 1 and 2 say that any solution which is formed into the water is known as aqueous solution. Next question is define solute. Solute is any quantity or any substance which is present in the smaller quantity. Present in the smaller quantity is known as solute. For example, in the salt solution, which is present in the lesser quantity, surely salt is present in the smaller quantity or lesser quantity. So in the example of salt solution, salt is an example of solute which is present in the lesser quantity. Water is present in the larger quantity, that's why it is known as solvent. Last question is defined solvent. What is solvent? So we can say that any substance which is present in the larger quantity in the solution is known as solvent. And in most of our cases, water behaves as an excellent solvent because water can dissolve almost every substance in it. That's why it is a common example of solvent. So our topic of today contains definition of solution, solute, solvent and aqueous solution, and we will define every definition one by one. Again I am going to repeat, define solution, answer of this question will be on paragraph number 1, page number 97. Second question is how we can differentiate between mixture and pure solute. Answer of this question again related to page number 97, paragraph number 3, which says that through evaporation we can differentiate between mixture and pure solute, because through evaporation mixture left behind some kind of residue or precipitate, but in the case of pure solute no residue or no any kind of precipitate left behind. Next question is define aqueous solution. Aqueous solution, aqua, the word aqua derived from the Greek word which means water, and example of this is salt solution and sugar solution. These are the two common example which you can made formed in the kitchen as well. So these are the most common example used in daily life. Next is define solute, any substance, anything which is present in the smaller quantity. Smaller quantity is known as solute. Take another example like steel. Steel is another example of, in the example of steel, iron and carbon are mixed together, but carbon is present in the lesser amount. So lesser amount may be solid, maybe in the form of liquid, maybe in the form of solid, or maybe in the form of gas. Anything which is present in the lesser quantity are known as solute. Last question is again define solvent. So anything which is present in the larger quantity are known as solvent. And other question, define air is a mixture or a solution. Yes, air is a solution because the composition of air is 78% nitrogen gas, oxygen gas is almost 21% oxygen gas, 0.03% carbon dioxide gas, and argon is also present 0.9%. This is an example of also a solution. So we can say that air is also a mixture. Thank you so much. If you have any kind of query or any kind of question regarding page number 97, you can forward your question to your section head and they will answer in the comprehensive way. Thank you so much.